just one more. That's how I feel before I get you all alone. We could give it a minute. Let's speed this up, cause I'm excited. No more taking it slow. No more taking it slow. Almost love, but it could be love. Almost love, but it could be love. Know very well that you told me you come home and it happens every time. Wish I had no expectations. Wish that I could get it through your head with no confrontation. I really wish we could talk about it instead. I wish that I could get it through your head. All these tears that I cry while I'm turned to the side and you're in this same fucking bed. Wish I had no expectations.
Oh my god. I feel like I need to throw up. I'm so out of shape. Awkward. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Mia Marie. I don't know what I'm doing. You know, who do I think I am? Doing a get ready with me when I only have one makeup video on this channel? Like, the audacity. The absolute... I'm sorry, hold on. I can't even do this intro because look at this. Whoa. Oh, it looks really blurry, but there's a guy going down in a cherry picker. He was just in the sky. Wow. Hey. Okay. Anyways, the audacity. Who does she think she is? Who is she? She's Mia. Follow her, by the way. Yeah. So everybody wants a makeup tutorial, which I'm still shook about, but everyone wants a makeup tutorial. I filmed one. It was cute, but like, I wanted to do another one. If nothing, anybody else just get winded in the middle of a sentence? If nothing else, just to show myself what my hair is like and how nice it looks as soon as I get out of the shower. Because in 10 minutes, all this hair is gonna shrink back into nothingness. It's gonna shrink into space. Who else has shrinkage where like their hair could be like down here and then when it dries, it's like negative hair? Like where did it go? Like I wanted you to stay. I thought we had something special. All right, anyway, I'm gonna stop being annoying and I'm gonna get ready or whatever. I mean, that's what we do. That's what they do. I don't know. I'm not a beauty guru. I don't even know why I'm doing like a get ready with me because I'm not going anywhere. But so we're gonna put, you know, I shouldn't be doing this in the viewfinder. I should have my mirror here. They want me to be a beauty guru. I don't even know how to beauty. Oh my god. The Oscar goes to me. Okay, get out of the way. I am so honored right now.
Shh, I hear you in the back.
I'm so honored right now that you guys gave me this award that like I totally deserve. And like, stream my song on SoundCloud. No, wait, I need to be more humble. I need to be like these humble YouTubers and people who really appreciate their platform. Thanks, I guess. Are we still carpooling, Mom and Dad? No tea, no shade. Okay, I love who we all know I'm talking about. I just thought that speech, though, was a little bit... Ooh. Now, watch, because I said that, when I do win an award, I'm probably gonna give the worst speech of all time. And Karma and Stans are gonna be like,
wow, you literally deserve that so much. Like, you really deserve that. Like, we're happy for you. You got what you deserve. Like, we love that for you.
I don't know. I feel like you have to do really ugly faces for the thumbnail. Country boy, I love you. Well, 5 minutes in and I'm not even started on the makeup. So today's look, I don't know. My basic senses are tingling. So I'm feeling like cranberry vibes, you know, very fall, whatever. So I'm going to do my eyes first and pretend that I know what I'm doing. Gonna start by putting concealer on my lids. And it's the Maybelline, you know what it is. How's your day? Mine is, it's going like days go. You know, it's really doing a lot of that. Whee! Oh my god, I went around twice! Yo, adrenaline rush. Okay, I'm gonna go in, ew, I probably shouldn't have done that. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this like brown, I'm so bad at this. Ah, my hand is awkward. This one, right in the middle. Ew, look how dirty she is. So let's talk. What's trending? What's fun? What are we vibing with? I really like Ariana Grande's new song. We could start there. The thank you next is so cute, and I actually did a video on it, so check it out. Now that I have a video that has a decent amount of views, like my first video with a decent amount of views, which is that one, I've noticed some channel growth, okay? And it is really insane to think about. It's almost like you try to prepare yourself for so long for something, and then when it kind of starts to happen, it's like, what do I do? It's weird to think about because they say it takes years to become an overnight success. And I'm not saying that I'm an overnight success by any means. I'm still very small, like in the grand scheme of YouTube as its own entity. But like 15,000 views, that's so weird to think about. Thank you, first of all, first and foremost, like genuinely. Like I put so much time into my YouTube, my art, my everything, and I really appreciate when people notice that. I don't put out content that I don't spend a lot of time on. I don't know how to do that. Like, this is what I'm passionate about. My art and my music is what I'm passionate about. It's what I've always been passionate about since I was a kid. Also, in the transition. Yeah. So to finally have people kind of see what's been going on behind the scenes for what it is, like, really appreciate you guys for that. So thank you. Ew, these eyebrows though? Roast me in the comments. Who are your favorite beauty gurus right now? I really like Antonio Garza. I think she's hilarious. I don't know how I feel about James. How rude of my phone to do right now. I don't know how I feel about James Charles. He has really good content and he does beautiful work. I really respect his talent and everything and all that, but at the same time, I don't know, sometimes I feel like he is so big, he loses touch a lot with reality. And I think a lot of YouTubers do, and it's hard not to. Like, it's hard to just come into money like that and fame and all that. While there's a lot of hate, there's also like tons and tons and tons of people who are telling you you could do no wrong and you're amazing. It's bound to go to your head at some point. Also, I'm gonna cut the crease starting here and you'll just watch. And it's something I think about a lot, and it's something I worry about a lot because YouTube's more personal, you know? People feel like they know you more. There's a deeper connection, and that deep connection can in a way desensitize you to how you're treating the people that you establish that connection with in the first place. I know that kind of doesn't make a lot of sense, but basically, like, it's easy to get swept up in thinking you're the shit because you have people telling you all the time, you're the shit, you saved my life, your work has touched me, your work has done this, like, you're amazing, you're amazing, you're amazing. If you hear that repetitively over and over again, obviously you're gonna start to believe it and be like, you know what, I am. And there's nothing wrong with that. There's absolutely nothing wrong with thinking you are the ish, you are cool, you are dope, your work is good, you're confident in yourself. There's nothing wrong with that at all. Where it starts to become a problem is when you forget that everybody's talented. Everybody has something that they're good at. You are there because people saw your talent and your passion and they put you there. And I think that's where a lot of people start to lose the connection, because if everybody was meant to be famous, everybody would make themselves famous. We wouldn't need support. We would all be famous all the time. People who are big, whether that's in Hollywood or on YouTube or whatever kind of influence, if you have a big platform, it's because people put you there. You didn't put yourself there. I mean, your work did, but people saw your work and they decided to put you there. So it's important to never forget that, because people put you there and they can put you right back down, make you humble real quick. I'm gonna go into a white shade and set the concealer. Oh my god, you guys, this is the eyeshadow palette I've been using for 3 years. BH 6th edition 120 color eyeshadow palette. You wanna know what I just realized right here on camera? There's another layer! It's untouched Y'all, the plastic is still in it. Oh, what did I do to deserve this? I did not know this. I've had this palette for like 3 years. Y'all, I've even been looking at this like, BH, you are lying to me. This is not 120. And it even has a white shade that I need. Thank you, God. You are really looking out. Oh my goodness. You know, she's not that pigmented though. And she's brand new. So that's the tea. No, that moment was short-lived and I'm over it. So I'm gonna go into this. I'm happy with where this is at for now. I'm gonna start putting on the lid color, which is gonna be this gold right here in the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just gonna pack this on, and honestly I kind of feel like sometimes the Jaclyn Hill shimmers look better when you put them on with your fingers. So I'm gonna do that too, but I'm just gonna start by patting it on. So now I'm just gonna take the reddish clay brown color again and kind of blend out where I got a little sloppy in the crease. I am deceased. That looks pretty cute. So now I'm gonna take the smaller brush and go back in with the darker kind of like a reddish brown that I put on the outside, and I'm gonna put it back so I can kind of blend the gold and the reddish brown together.
You sneak out of the crowd, baby, it's a no-brainer. It ain't the hard to choose. Him or me, be for real, baby, it's a no-brainer. You can make it if you try.
Okay, so I went ahead and put the eyeliner on and the base and everything because my poor camera's little heart can't take it, you guys. Her memory's full, she's overheating, she can't take the tea is too hot. Gonna go back in the Jaclyn Hill palette. This color, because this is what I contour with. And for a brief time, I also did my eyebrows with this. So, for the people who are suggesting that I watch NF and react, I'm going to, by the way. Y'all tend to like deep music and whatever. I'm about to put you on, okay? If y'all haven't heard of Olivia O'Brien, just listen to this.
I've been doomed from the start. Everything around me falls apart so quickly. Always end up with a broken heart. Even Tylenol can't fix me. Let's just mix with whiskey. I ain't even sad, I'm just bored. All of these people and all of their friends look so good together, and I don't fit in. Crop me out the photo so they can pretend like I don't exist. When I feel good, it never lasts. That's why you can find me living in the past if you need me. Falling apart, don't know what to do.
Are you doing a video?
I sure am.
Hi.
You're so cute. What do you think so far?
It looks really good.
Yeah?
I like it. I like the eyeliner. The wing. I like it.
Look at you! Comment if you want him to do my makeup. Just do it. Just do it for me, okay? If you love me, you will make him do my makeup.
The thought of that gives me anxiety.
Life gives me anxiety, okay? Since I gotta finish this off camera because my camera was not having it, I'm just gonna run down everything real quick. Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundations. You see the coverage, okay? They're $4. Maybelline Matte Ink Super Stay Lipstick. Now, here's the thing. They're beautiful. They don't transfer, like, nothing. Stay on for a really long time. The darker colors are kind of hard to get off. Just be aware of that. And they can stain. But they're really good and they smell good and they're cheap. For my mascara, I use the Waterproof So Lashy by CoverGirl. Honestly, I'm gonna spill the tea here. I wouldn't recommend this because the brush is kind of a, I don't know if you see it. It's kind of a weird shape and it makes it very hard to apply the mascara. Kind of same with my eyeliner. So I'm not even gonna show it because it gives me more difficulty than it helps me. So I'm not gonna put you through that. And this highlighter palette. I also use the e.l.f. brow pencils because they're $2 and they're cheap and they're nice. I'm not even gonna get into my lashes, just know that they're Ardell. I'm not gonna get into them, not because they're not cute, they're really cute, but I've worn these way too much, and they look crusty right now. So, Kiss and Ardell lashes, cute, cheap. I'm gonna zoom you in, and before I do, we don't need to talk about the glue on my lashes, okay? I already exposed myself, so we don't even need to talk about it, okay? I still like get super weirded out during the little show part of the video where it's like, ooh. But we'll get there one day. That's about all I have for you. If you guys want to see more of these, let me know in the comments. I would be happy to do them for you. And that's about all I got for you right now. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and yeah guys, that is all I have for you today. This is my fall cranberry look. Get ready with me. I'm out of breath. This is gonna take forever to edit and probably be so long, so let me stop talking. I will see you next time, guys. Bye.